Hi and welcome to my English language course. This course is designed for all levels of English students. Hello everyone and welcome to today's class. The topic today is telling the time. The clock is divided into two parts. Minutes past the hour. It's 5 minutes past 3. And minutes to the hour. It's 4:45. We can say time in two different forms. It's 5 minutes past 3, or it's 3:05. It's 4:45, or it's 3:45. What time is it? It's 3:30. What time is it? It's 20 minutes past 3. Do you have the time? It's 20 minutes past 7. Do you have the time? It's 10 past 3. What time is it? It's 7:15. What time is it? It's 4:30. Do you have the time? It's 9:20. Do you have the time? It's 6:05. What time is it? What time is it? Do you have the time? Do you have the time? Time expressions using going. Where are you going? I'm going to London. When are you going? I'm going at 10 o'clock in the morning. Who's going with you? Melinda is. More expressions. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hurry. It's early. It's late. Right now. Tonight. Today. Tomorrow. Listen and repeat. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At midnight. Listen and repeat. What time is it? It's 2:05. Where are you going? To the movies. Are you going now? No, I'm going this evening. When are you going? In the morning. When are you going? In the evening. When are you going? In the afternoon. When are you going? At noon. When are you going? At midnight. When are you going? At night. Listen and repeat. Where are you going? I'm going to London. Who's going with you? My mother is. When are you going? At 10 o'clock. Listen and repeat. What are you doing tonight? I'm going to a party. What are you wearing? I'm wearing my red skirt. When are you going? At 7:30. Choose the correct clock. It's 4:30. It's 5:25. It's 3:45. It's 7:50. It's 2:30. It's 3:30. It's 1:15. It's 5:05. Read the clocks and tell me what time is on each one. Stop the video whenever you need to focus on each question.